Learn Hindi take forms. Take 2.
लेना,
Welcome to take. Hey, you're about to make one tiny verb do a lot of heavy lifting. Today, you'll learn how to say take in Hindi without sounding like a confused shopping cart. Our star verb is
लेना,
which means to take. Imagine a hand reaching for a mango, a book, or the last samosa before your cousin gets it. That action is
लेना,
in a shop, at home, on a bus, in life, and probably in a dramatic movie scene. You will need
लेना,
your mission today. You don't need to memorize a giant grammar mountain. You just need to notice the patterns and enjoy the ride. Base form. Take equals.
लेना,
I take equals.
मैं लेता हूँ,
You take equals.
तुम लेते हो,
He takes equals.
वो लेता है,
She takes equals.
वो लेती है,
It takes equals.
लेता है,
We take equals.
हम लेते हैं,
You all take equals.
तुम लोग लेते हो,
They take equals.
वे लेते हैं.
A market full of trouble. Let's throw all the forms into one funny scene. If chaos helps memory, congratulations, this section is a genius. You walk into a busy Indian market. The fruit seller smiles. You point to a mango and whisper heroically,
मैं लेता हूँ,
I take it. Your friend points at bananas and I tell him,
तुम लेते हो,
you take. Then a dramatic man in sunglasses appears. Of course.
वो लेता है,
The biggest watermelon. A woman beside him calmly chooses tea and yes.
वो लेती है.
Meanwhile, the decision itself takes time, so the shopkeeper sighs.
लेता है,
Time, my friends, it takes time. Then your whole family arrives and proudly announces.
हम लेते हैं,
A noisy group of students joins in.
तुम लोग लेते हो,
And finally, the crowd becomes one giant grammar parade.
वे लेते हैं.
The seller is happy, slightly confused, and probably rich now. Pattern spotting. Now let's make this easier on your brain. Your brain loves patterns almost as much as it loves snacks. Listen to the masculine style pattern.
मैं लेता हूँ, तुम लेते हो, वो लेता है, हम लेते हैं, वे लेते हैं.
Hear how the middle changes.
लेता,
For singular masculine style.
लेते,
For plural or familiar you forms. For feminine singular, you get.
लेती,
As in.
वो लेती है.
The helping words also matter.
हूँ, हो, है.
Tiny words, big job. Mini dialogue drill. Repeat these out loud. Yes, out loud. Whispering is allowed, but dramatic whispering is preferred. A. Which book do you choose? B.
मैं लेता हूँ,
A. Do you take the bus every day? B.
तुम लेते हो,
A. Who takes the bag? B.
वो लेता है,
A. Who takes the key? B.
वो लेती है.
A. How long does learning take? B.
लेता है,
Time. A. Do we take the train? B.
हम लेते हैं,
A. You all take the red bags, okay? B.
तुम लोग लेते हो,
A. Do they take the maps? B.
वे लेते हैं.
Funny memory hooks. Let's glue the words into memory with silly images. Your memory loves weird stuff, so let's not waste that talent. Picture a superhero grabbing a glowing key and shouting.
लेना,
Imagine yourself in a shop, choosing one giant mango the size of a pillow.
मैं लेता हूँ,
Point at your friend as he steals the last cookie.
तुम लेते हो,
A man in sunglasses takes a watermelon in slow motion.
वो लेता है,
A clever woman grabs the last train ticket before anyone else.
वो लेती है,
Homework stares at you and says, I need 20 minutes. That is.
लेता है,
It takes. Your family grabs lunchboxes together like a tiny coordinated army.
हम लेते हैं,
A group of your friends all grab snacks at once and the cashier sighs.
तुम लोग लेते हो,
A whole crowd reaches for free notebooks.
वे लेते हैं.
Quick quiz time. No pressure. If you get one wrong, just blame the imaginary watermelon from earlier. How do you say, take?
लेना.
How do you say, I take?
मैं लेता हूँ.
How do you say, you take?
तुम लेते हो.
How do you say, he takes?
वो लेता है.
How do you say, she takes?
वो लेती है.
How do you say, it takes?
लेता है.
How do you say, we take?
हम लेते हैं.
How do you say, you all take?
तुम लोग लेते हो.
How do you say, they take?
वे लेते हैं.
Your challenge. Now it's your turn to play with the forms. Tiny practice today saves giant confusion tomorrow. Say one sentence about yourself with.
मैं लेता हूँ.
For example, I take the bus. Say one sentence to a friend with.
तुम लेते हो.
Describe one man using.
वो लेता है.
Describe one woman using.
वो लेती है.
Say one sentence about time using.
लेता है.
Like, it takes time. Say one group sentence with.
हम लेते हैं.
Talk to several people using.
तुम लोग लेते हो.
Describe a group using.
वे लेते हैं.
Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You just took one verb and turned it into a whole useful toolkit. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
लेना. मैं लेता हूँ. तुम लेते हो. वो लेता है. वो लेती है. लेता है. हम लेते हैं. तुम लोग लेते हो.
And.
वे लेते हैं.
Practice a little, laugh a little, and come back soon for more Hindi.